Hey guys, let's see what we are going to solve today. I'll just read the problem for you. The ratio of the number of eggs in box A to the number of eggs in box B is 7:16. 3/8 of the eggs in box B is transferred to box A. After the transfer, there are now 140 eggs in box B. How many eggs were in box A at first? Right? So let's see how to solve this problem. Yeah. Now let's write down what is given in the problem. Yeah. See, this one is about ratio. It is given in the keyword itself. It says it is ratio, right? The ratio of the number of eggs between box A and box B, right? So whenever you solve ratio problems, you can follow this method as well, right? Okay, so now let's write box A on the left side, box B on the right side. Yeah. Now it says that the ratio initially is on the box A it is 7 and then box B it is 16. Right? That's the initial ratio. Right? It is not number of eggs, it's just the ratio. Right? Okay. Now then there was this one is initial, right? And then change. There is a change happened, right? What happened is that some eggs from box B was transferred to box A, right? That is given is 3/8, right? It is again not number, it's just a what? A fraction, right? Now from this 16, let's say that this one, the initial number that is given, the ratio, let's take it as 7 units and then 16 units as well, right? Because it's a ratio, we don't know, it's not the exact number of eggs. Now from this 16 units, 3/18 was transferred to this side. Now we need to find what is 3/18 of this 16 units, right? Do you know what to do? Forgot. Come on. To find any fraction of a number, what you should do? You just need to multiply, right? I have another video that you can watch. Yeah, right. Okay. Now see, to find 8/3, this one 3/8, sorry, 3/8 was transferred here. Now we need to find what is the 3/8 of 16, right? So for that what we need to do is 16 multiply 3/8. That's what we need to do, right? Because it says 3/8 of the box B. Initially in the box B there were 16 units. From that 3/8 was transferred to box A. Yeah, so don't get confused. Yeah, you have to always remember what is given at first and then what the problem is talking about, right? Okay, so for that let's find what is 3/8 of 16. Now here you see we can cancel it. For 1 times 8 is 8 and then 2 times 8 is 16. Now 2 times 3 is 6, so is equals to, right, 16 times 3/8 is equals to 6. So this one is the actual number of units that was transferred to box what? A, right? So this side it was plus 6 units and this side it was what? Minus 6 units, right? Got it so far? Okay. Now what is the final units? Final units. This side how many units it will be? 7 plus 6, it is 13 units. And then this side we are subtracting here. See, from here we are taking 6 units and adding it on the box A. So if you subtract this one, final units will be 10 units, right? Got it? Okay, so far we have reached till here, right? And there is a clue given in the problem. There are now 140 eggs in box B. After this transfer took place, there are 140 eggs in box B, right? Now final eggs, maybe let's write, right, after transfer in box B 140 eggs, right? You may not need to write this long, you can just straight jump into the solving problem, but I'm just writing it so that you can easily understand it. See, now after the transfer it is 140 eggs. You see here, after the transfer, how many units are there in box B? 10 units. What it means is that, see, this 10 units is equals to 140 eggs, because that is what is at the end in box B that is left. Right? Got it? Yeah. So what it means is that 10 unit is equals to 140 now, right here. Now what is 1 unit in that case? 1 unit, what should we do? 140 divided by 10, exactly, right? Now this is 14, right? See, 0, 0, you can just cancel it now. 14 over 1 is 14, right? So 1 unit is equals to 14. Now we have found what is 1 unit. But the actual question is, how many eggs were in the box A at first? How many eggs were in the box A at first? How many units? 7 units, exactly, right? So, see, box in the beginning or at first. In box A was 7 units, right? Now we know what is 1 unit, which is 14. So what should we do for 7 units? 7 times 14, right? Which is 14, 7. 7 times 4 is 28, 8. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2, 9. 98. So it is 98 eggs, right? That's it. Easy, guys? Yeah? Right. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Yeah? Thanks.